These generators under assembly and pre-delivery testing belong to supplementary orders from our key client, a power plant project in the Philippines. Let's dive into the core components. This unit uses a reliable Yuchai engine. Over here, we have got the smart control system from ComAp. And this circuit breaker is designed to safeguard the whole generator against overload and short circuit damage. Let's take a closer look at the internal layout. Here we have the fuel tank. Next up is the oil-water separator. And this component right here is our fuel pump. These are exhaust louvers, specially engineered for gensets.